Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
Everyone, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Asante Kotoko just beat Bechem United 4-0. I can't remember the last time Asante Kotoko won 4-0. Now, for most of you that don't know me, I'm Nigerian. I started supporting Kotoko in 2012 when I studied in Kumasi. Now, since I came to Ghana, this is the best Kotoko performance I have seen in my entire life. I was amazed. Like, we played 11 Wonders. The performance was appalling, and this particular game was just extraordinary. Fabio Gama, Fabio Gama is a gem. We got him for free. Can you imagine? We got Fabio Gama for free. Wow. Man of the match. Yes, he's a man of the match. He deserved it. He deserved it. Now let's talk about the game. The game was very good. Mariano Barreto talked about the essence of crossing the ball into the box and getting the strikers into the game, and we did that to them. We scored 4 goals. We played the ball into the box. Our 2 strikers scored. Fabio Gama scored, and Abdul scored his thunderbolt free kick. That was his first goal of the season. I was very pleased with the performance. I know Fabio Gama played very well. I think one of the players that made difference in the game is Habib Mohamed. His presence in the midfield changed everything in the game. It was just extraordinary to watch, and I think this kind of game will build the momentum and help us build towards our title race this season. And I'm very pleased that the boys played very well today. I'm extremely pleased, buzzing, because that performance, you see the way when Vinicius scored his goal, Vinicius came in and scored. I even forgot about Vinicius came in and scored. I was buzzing, I was shouting, I was jumping, because I was very happy. I wasn't expecting him to play today because Mariano Barreto talked about the need for him to get fit. He wasn't fit for this match, and he was squeezed in because of Naby Keita's injury, and he played very well when he came on. He just gave simple pass and he stayed there in the position and waited for that ball to tap in. That was a very good poacher's goal. I'm very pleased with the way he played, and the way he scored the goal is just extraordinary. I can't contain my excitement. Yes, you know, we've been playing 1-0, 1-1, 2-1, 1-0, 1-1, but today we scored 4. We scored 13 goals this season, all in 16 games. But today, Mariano Barreto's first huge game, like the main game for him, we scored 4. This is like showing you what to expect in the future. Fabio Gama is extraordinary. My God, I can't talk about this guy very well. Now, I'm very pleased with the performance. Abdul Ganiu and Yusuf Mubarak, they played very well. Samuel Frimpong played fairly well. I think he played fairly well, but I don't think he put out the performance that can bench Christopher Nate. But I think he played very well. For those of you that don't know, Christopher Nate wasn't in this game because he got 3 yellow cards and he was suspended for this game. And in the midfield, Mudassiru was extraordinary. Mudassiru was good. I like the partnership with Habib Mohamed. They played very well. Fabio Gama, very good. Augustine Okra, he could have scored at least 2 goals today. But I think he can improve in the future and help the team when they need him. Emmanuel Jimfi was, passenger in this particular game. I don't think the club are going to renew Emmanuel Jimfi's contract at Asante Kotoko. But it's a very good performance. We are now 3rd in the Ghana Premier League, and we are not far from the first position. I'm hoping that we win our next games to make us to move us to the top of the Ghana Premier League table. Now let's talk about the other players. And Kumi played today and scored his first goal for the club, his full debut, and he scored. I'm very pleased for Kumi too. Let's talk about Godfrey Desima. Godfrey Desima came in and he played very well. He could have scored the goal, but hit the bar, and unfortunately for us, Vinicius Junior was there Michael Vinicius. I said Vinicius Junior. Michael Vinicius was there to tap in. It was a very good. For those of you that didn't watch the game, I'm very sorry, because you missed greatness. I'll play the highlights for you guys to see at the end of the video. I know most of them are playing as the video is going on, but you missed greatness. That was the best performance I have seen since I came to Ghana. Easily the best performance I have seen. It was extraordinary. I am happy. I am pleased. It was, oh my God, I don't have words. I don't have words to describe the way I felt when all the goals were scored. I was jumping, shouting, and jubilating. It was an extraordinary performance. Yes, extraordinary performance. I don't want to talk much. I would like to know your thoughts which player do you think deserves the man of the match? I know it's Fabio Gama, but personally, after Fabio Gama is Habib Mohamed. Habib Mohamed did wonders in that midfield. He tackled. He made sure that he gave the Bechem United attack problems. I'm very, very pleased with the way the boys played. I'm sure that Mariano Barreto told them what he wanted before the game, and they played according to instructions. The crosses, the passes, the coordination, and the attack was superb. Razak Abalora was commanding defense. No fouls, no fouls, no fouls here, no fouls here. Telling the players to be very, very careful not to give away cheap fouls, and they did that very well, and we kept a clean sheet after scoring 4 goals. It was extraordinary performance. I am very, very happy. I would like to know your thoughts. Put in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. I'm very, very happy. I think I'll see you in the next video. Till next time, guys. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Peace out, guys.
Build up from Asante, Kotoko as they would work themselves into their opponent's territory. This time around, there's a long kick from Razak Abalora, putting pressure on the defense. It's picked up by Augustine Okra. Lays on the pass for Fabio Gama. 2 matches, 2 goals. Fabio Gama is hot like fire.
Yeah, Fabio Gama is hot. This time he didn't score with an unfavorable right foot. This one, it fell on the left foot. But he was precise. He took it with a lot of power. And goalkeeper Daniel Afadu is beating, and Kotoko looks like running route today here.
And there he comes straight to the back. Wants a piggy ride from Augustine Okra. It was a lovely pass. He got the opportunity, and so far cleanly done by Kotoko. Fortunately, Sami took his eye off the ball for a second, got it back. Fabio, lovely pass from Augustine Okra. Augustine Okra gets it back again, but he doesn't. Shot is fired on target against the goalpost, and Vinicius gets a goal in the right place at the right time. Lucky goal for Brazilian import Vinicius. I think today is a samba day for Kotoko.
Well, a samba day, you can say that, Prince. But you will love the build-up. Here you see Samuel Frimpong with that wonderful pass. And look at the chip from Gama and the back heel from Augustine Okra, and it was looking good. First of all, Isiama with that strike, hitting the post there. Brilliant header from Andy Kumi. And another brilliant connection. That's a striker's goal. I mean, you could feel all day long he has the instincts to put the ball at the back of the net. From Andy Kumiba, you talk about the delivery, and the delivery was so superb. It is a game, Kotoko.